Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Well, I'm coming back to share the expressions. Well, but don't forget Bahasa Inggris, an English course in front of Masjid Al Naya Zumbut Tumbut or so close to Kisaran. Maybe you want to learn English, you can come here. Or if you want to support my channel or our channel, you can subscribe, like, comment, and share, right? As usual, it becomes our program, I think, to share three expressions. Well, the first expression, what is it? Learn to manage your time. Learn to manage your time. When we uh, read it fast, it becomes like learn to manage your time. Learn to manage your time. Learn to manage your time. But when we read it slow or slowly, we just learn to manage your time like that. And the meaning is one. All right. And the second one we have these can be hard at first. Once again, these can be hard at first. When we read it fast, it becomes this can be hard at first. This can be hard at first. The meaning is, all right. We translate from this word. Can be hard. All right. Okay. Well, the third we have. So you just use this one. This can be hard at first when you want to say something to your friend. And the third we have, but you will get used to it. But you will get used to it. But slowly. But you will get used to it. But you will get used to it. The meaning is, but you will get used to it. Alright, I think that's it. There are three: the first, second, and the third. If you want to support our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you want to learn English, just come to Bahasa Inggris course in front of Majalaya Sumbut Tumbut. Well, Amadi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.